Hey there, it's Kara, and in this video, if you have a long Google share link that you want to share with somebody, whether it's a presentation or in this case, a newsletter, then I'm going to share with you how to do that. There's two free options that I'll share with you on how to make this long um, Google Docs URL something a lot more user friendly. So, by the way, if you need a newsletter, a digital newsletter, you can get that one at bit.ly/free digital newsletter. So, my two recommendations that are free for shortening your URL to something friendly and easy to share with students and parents is tinyurl.com or bit.ly.com. So tinyurl.com, it is just more simple, bare bones. Well, that's probably not true. I feel like they've done maybe more than I know about, but it's just really easy and you don't have to sign up. I don't believe you can just use it. So that's usually what I recommend with just teachers or whatever. So I'll take this long URL, copy it, go over here, enter the long link right there, and right here I will enter something easy to remember. So in this case, since it's my newsletter, I want something that makes sense to my students and parents. So I had done Senor Caro 23, which now I can't use it because I've already used it. Once somebody uses that alias, it can't be used again. So I just went to the next year. So now that big long link is one that you can verbally share and remember by word of mouth, which is often helpful if you're not able to send this by text or email or whatever. So that is what it looks like if you use tinyurl, and then I'll share with you what it looks like for Bitly. So this is Bitly, and I use that on the business side for me for my TPT seller. It's got analytics and stuff, a lot of stuff, and I use the free version as well. So what we'll do is grab that link again, and you go to create new. Once you create an account, you do have to create an account. And so I'll go to link and I'll paste here in the destination. And they do have an app, Bitly does, which is very nice. If this is something you need to do a lot, then you can download their app on your phone and do it a lot. If for some reason you use stuff like that a lot. So let's see if Senor Caro 24 is available here. Once again, I won't know unless it allows me to create it, and it does. And both of these let you do QR codes as well, which would be helpful. For example, my newsletter, I'll put the link and a QR code because now everybody pretty much can scan them with their phone cameras. So that's a cool feature as well. And TinyURL has it as well. You just click on here and download PNG or whatever, and you're good to go. So I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, or you can DM me at Facebook or Instagram at Flapjack Education. And I also have a Facebook group where I share digital resource creation tips if you're looking into making more digital resources for your classroom and or TPT store. I'd love to connect with you there as well. I have the link in the description of this video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.